Like any doctor, especially a pediatrician, Dr. Mehar Dilwazir treated children that came to him for tummy aches, coughs, and colds. He had no idea that some of the children he'd been treating in a small Pakistani town were living at the compound that housed Osama bin Laden.
Never, never, never. If I had any suspects, I would have boycotted their children examinations and treatment.
Wazir said the two men, Arshad and Tariq, claimed the children were theirs, and the doctor never had reason to question those claims.
I have treated the children of Arshad and Tariq, and I don't take the details of the families. How many children this person has, as for example, he has, now the child was brought. I haven't asked how many brothers and sisters you have, until unless it is important from the point of the disease diagnosis.
Not much is known about those who lived at the compound, and Dr. Wazir said the two men that brought the children to him blended into the community, living quietly. He says he never questioned the nationality of the children and that it would be hard to differentiate between a Pakistani or an Arab child.
No, I have never treated and I have never suspected. Because if it's a small child, I won't know whether this is Arab or this is Pakistani. If, say, for example, he's 6 months old, how can I know that this is Arab or this is Pakistani? But I have never suspected.
A few days after the raid that killed Osama bin Laden, intelligence agents notified the doctor that some of his patients had lived in the compound. He was questioned for several hours but released, and it is not known whether or not the children he treated belonged to bin Laden. Lila Ibrahim, The Associated Press.